1. Go to the Android Studio download page at https://developer.android.com/studio. 2. Click the Download Android Studio button for the latest version of Android Studio. 3. Once the download is complete, double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. 4. If prompted, allow the program to make changes to your device. 5. In the Android Studio Setup Wizard, click Next. 6. Select the components you want to install and click Next. 7. Choose the installation location for Android Studio and click Next. 8. Choose whether or not to create a desktop shortcut and click Next. 9. Review the installation settings and click Install. 10. Wait for the installation process to complete. 11. Once the installation is complete, click Next. 12. Choose whether or not to import previous settings and click OK. 13. Android Studio will then start downloading additional components. 14. Once the downloads are complete, click Finish to launch Android Studio. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Android Studio on your Windows 10 computer.